Hello everyone, I am Kundan and today I am going to start uh, to solve these three questions. These three questions asking sample of the AP board. These three questions are nothing but sample question of Andhra Pradesh board. So let us discuss first question. So first question asking that we have to form the palindrome word from the word equation. Since the equation have total 8 letters and we have to form 6-digit palindrome word. So for the 6-digit, let us construct 6 box. Now if I start with the first, for this box we have total 8 choice. Now we can fill any of the letter E, Q, U, A, T, I, O, N. So for this first box we have total 8 choice. एंड इन केस ऑफ पैलिड्रोम वर्ड्स, सो पहले पैलिड्रोम वर्ड्स को जान लेते हैं क्या होता है. तो पैलिड्रोम आर दोज वर्ड्स दैट इफ़ आई रीड फ्रॉम राइट और लेफ्ट, दीज वर्ड्स आर सेम, जस्ट लाइक दिस वर्ड. द अनदर वर्ड वी कैन टेक TAT. Read from left or right, the word remains same. So for the first box we have total 8 ways, 8 choice to fill, and this box we have total only one way now, because if I fill here E letter, so E is fixed here. In same way this second box have 8 ways, because in palindrome letters are repeated. Now in palindrome word letters are repeated. So for the second box we have also 8 choice. From the last second one we have also only one way, because if I fill here any of the letter, though the same letter will be filled here. And for the third box we have again 8 choices. So and this box have only one way. So the palindrome words are nothing but, so total number of palindrome words are 8 cross 8 cross 8, means 8 cube. Now in case of B part we have to form the palindrome word of 7 digit. So first I construct 7 digit box. Again in the first box we have total 8 choices to fill, and the same letter filled here, only one way. In this box we have 8 way, because the words are, we can repeat the letter, the same letter will be filled in this box, same letter can be filled in this box in only one way. Now in the third box again we have 8 choices, the same letter will be filled here only one way. And for the fourth box we have only 8 choices, because we can fill any of the letter. And by filling this area, this does not affect on palindrome now, because if I put, let's say, 5-digit palindrome R A B A R, so by filling this middle one, this does not affect on palindrome word. So we have total 8 cross 8 cross 8 cross 8 cross 8 power 4 ways. Total number of words is 8 power 4 way. Now discussing the second question. Before discussing the second question, let us discuss the third. So for the third question we have to show this identity. So by taking LHS, A0 C0 A plus C1, so takes here A0 C0 plus AC1 plus DC1 AC2 plus 2DC2 and so on up to dot plus ACN plus NDCN. Okay, This is LHS. Now take A common from this, so this will become A. Sorry, here this is not A, no, this is A. This is A. So take A common, then this will become C0 plus C1 plus C2 plus dot 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 Cn. Taking D common from this one, taking D common, so this will become C1 plus C2 plus and so on dot 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 and Cn. C1 1 dot C1 plus 2 dot C2, here 2 is also there, dot 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 and Cn. Here C0 C1 and Cn represent nothing but NCN. C1 represent NC1. So we know that C1 plus C2 plus dot 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 Cn, this represent 2 power n. NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 dot dot dot, this will represent 2 power n. Now plus d times and 1 dot C1 2 dot C2, this have formula n dot 2 power n minus 1. So now take 2 power n minus 1 common both sides, so this will become 2a plus nd whole bracket 2 power n minus 1. This is your RHS, hence proved. Now discussing the second question, 4nC2n divided by 2nCn. Second question, 4nC2n divided by 2nCn. Open the C formula, so this will become 4n factorial divided by 2n factorial into 4n minus 2n, 4n minus 2n whole factorial. NCR formula is nothing but n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Apply this formula in this, so here also applying 2nCn is 2n factorial, open the factorial, 2n factorial divided by 2n minus n, that is n factorial into n factorial. This is 2n minus n factorial. Okay, so this will become 4n factorial divided by 2n factorial whole square divided by 2n factorial divided by n factorial whole square. So now इसके बाद क्या होगा, इसके बाद होगा 4n factorial divided by 2n factorial whole square, एक जगह कॉमन करते हैं और ये बन जाएगा n factorial whole square divided by 2n factorial. अब क्या करें, अब इसको ओपन करते हैं 4n factorial को. So if I open the 4n factorial, this will become 4n minus 1, 4n minus 2, 4n minus 2 and dot 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 3 2 1, means there are total 4n terms now. And open 2n factorial, this will become 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2 dot 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 3 2 1 whole divided by n factorial square divided by 2n factorial. This is whole square na. Now what we will do, we will do the odd term separate out, even term separate out. So this will become 4n minus 2 and so on, 4 2 1 divided by, sorry 1 नहीं होगा, into, and now our terms will be 4n minus 1, 4n minus 3 dot 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 5 3 1 divided by same separate out even and odd terms. This will become 2n minus 2 and so on, 4 into 2. Now ये बन जाएगा 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3 .531. ओके, यहाँ तक कोई दिक्कत नहीं. होल ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर और मल्टीप्लाइड बाई n फैक्टोरियल स्क्वायर इंटू 2n फैक्टोरियल होल. यहाँ तक तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं. ओके नाउ अब इसके बाद क्या करते हैं, इसमें से 2 कॉमन आउट कर लेते हैं. 2. ओके, सो दिस विल बिकम 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 अप टू, देखिए सिंस यहाँ पे 1 2 4 and there are total 4 n terms, we have separated odd terms here, we have separated the odd or even terms and here odd terms. So this total terms will become 2n and this total terms become 2n. In the same way we have separated, these are total 1 2 3 up to 2n terms. We have separated even terms here and odd terms here. So these are total n terms and these are total n terms. We have separated half now. Let's say there are total 5 numbers. There are total, since these are even numbers na, let's say there are total 1 2 3 4 numbers. We have separated half odd here and even here, so total numbers are equal na, 2 2. In the same way there are total 4n even numbers. We have separated half even there and half odd here. So these are total 2n terms, these are total n terms. Okay, now take 2 common out from this numerator. So this will become 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 power 2n, and this will become 2n minus 1 dot 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 2 into 1. Okay, now this is odd terms, so it will remain as it is. 4n minus 1 4n minus 3 dot 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 531. Okay, now divided by, take 2 common. So since these are total n terms, if I take common 2, so this will become 2 power n. ठीक है, 2 into 2 into 2 into up to n times. So this will become n minus 1 n minus 2 and so on dot 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 2 into 1, and the odd terms will remain as it is, means 2n minus 1 2n minus 3 and so on 531. And this whole square up to here, clear now? If so, now what I will do, these are the whole square now. If I take 2n common outside this bracket, so this will become 2 power 2n in numerator, 2 power 2n, and this will look like 1 dot 2 dot 3 dot and so on 2n, means this will look like 2n factorial na. And the odd terms will be as it is, 4n minus 1 4n minus 3 531 into n factorial whole square divided by 2n factorial. Now if I take 2 power n common outside this bracket, so this will become 2 power n whole square, and this will look like 1 dot 2 dot 3 dot 4 dot 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 n. This will become n factorial, since square is there then n factorial square, and odd terms will be as it is, 2n minus 3 dot 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 531. Now look at this, n factorial square cancel out, 2n factorial cancel out, since 2 power 2n, and this will become 2 power 2n, this will become 2 power 2n, so this will be cancel out. So the remaining will become 4n minus 1 4n minus 3 dot 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 531 divided by 2n minus 1 2n minus 3 dot 531. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks. These are your total solution of this question. These are the sample question of Andhra Board. We have discussed it. Thank you.